Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and I know I'm late, but the update happened around 1 a.m. so I obviously couldn't do it. So we're gonna be going over some of the update secrets, and I'm gonna be showing you all the new update items if you can't buy them yourself. So first thing I loaded in my mood center, and there's these like little houses all over. I think it's kind of like to symbolize where like your plot is almost. So I don't really know what that is. Leave a comment on our Discord if you know. But let's check out the new things. Oh my god, that's a lot of new things. So I'm not gonna go over the shapes because I feel like a lot of you have probably already seen that. But I'm gonna go over the rest of the stuff. I'm also gonna place a wall because I know there are some wall items. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna build a... Never mind. No, I'm not. Okay. So first let's try decorate. That is a lot of items. So first thing we have just like a blank paper pile. Why am I so far back? Okay, so first thing we have is like a blank paper pile. Obviously you can resize that now. We have a lily pad. I'm gonna place a pool. That is beautiful. That's like amazing. I love that. Okay, I'm gonna be using that. They have a gas can. They have floral lily pad. I think I might like this one more. Yeah, I think I like that one more. They have bubbles. We have a garden. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Oh, cattails. Oh my god, that's adorable. That's gonna be so good for detailing. I can't wait to see what like all those creative people do with it. Oh, garden shovel. That would look good in a garage. There's like a hose spout thing. There's an air pump. Do these actually work? Kites. We have that one. We have a pizza. And we have a rainbow. Then we have water balloons. Then we got roller skates. I'm just gonna put down these and these. That's so cool. I'm so happy they updated. We got that kite. And we have all of these. They're basically the same thing, so I'll just put two down. Oh, no, not that one. That is cool. Sidewalk chalk. Can't wait to see if that actually works. Enclosed garden hose reel. We have that at our house. Oh my god, the detail on these guys are gonna be so cool. There's so much more stuff like to put in the garage. Almost. We have butterfly kites. I'll just put down that one. It's beautiful. Okay, I need a table for this one. That's amazing. I love that. And we got a lawnmower. Who knows why? Got a kick scooter. Wow, that's cheap. We got a new bike. We got another bike. Wow, my money's gone down like 20,000. We have this. We have a slip and slide, which is so expensive. And oh no. We have a $14,000 lawnmower. And I think that is pretty much it for the update items. That's a lot of update items. So let's just go over here and try all of them out. Okay, so first we have a bike. Oh my god, this bike looks so tiny. Okay, it's a little bit slow, but I think that's because it might be meant for kids. But otherwise, like, it's so cute. And guys, that's like only if, I don't know, go back in the video to find out how much it is, or I'll just put it on the screen. So this is for adults that can't ride. No, it's for little kids. But these are so cheap. Oh my god, people are gonna have so much fun with those. What do you use the lawnmower for? Does it actually... My lawnmower's gone. Where'd it go? Okay, whatever. Wow, slip and slide. I'm stuck. That is so cool. Hold up, it's not working yet. There we go. Wow, that's awesome. Oh, there's my lawnmower. I think that's just for role playing, because I don't think it. Oops, I don't think it actually cuts grass. So then this is the other. No. Oh my god, why did I put everything so close together? This is the other bike they added. I think it might be better than the other two. But that'll be good just to like, oh, I don't want to thing. Oh, wow, you can fill it with a lot of stuff. I don't think they've had lemonade. Fill it with lemonade. That takes a long time. Wow. That's really cool. I'm amazed by that. Plug in my laptop. Does this work? Oh, this does work. That's as far as you can go. Oh, and it sprays water. That's really cool. That'll be great for role playing. Okay, so here's the kite. That's really cool. Oh my god. And you actually reel it in, so it's not like teleporting or anything like that. What does the air pump do? The air pump does nothing. The gas thing? I think it just kind of bobbles. Yeah. I would recommend the gas thing or the air pump. Yep, the hose thing. Here's another kite. Beautiful. They did an amazing job on this update. They really did. And here's another kite. Cool. It's awesome. Okay, now I'm gonna use what I spent a lot of money on. Okay, so if you do not, if you're trying to buy a cheap vehicle, I don't recommend this. Do you see how slow this is going right now? And it's $14,000, so I don't think you get your money's worth off of that. I mean, sure, it can get you where you want to go, but still. Oh my god, the garden shovel. That's cool. So, I think that's all there is in the 0.9.7 update. Let me know if I missed anything. I think Oh my god, I'm so sorry. We forgot to do so many things. Ah, I made such a bad mistake. This is the scooter. Oh, that's adorable. Honestly, this is so cheap and it's just like a little vehicle, so I'm gonna use that often. I got some bubbles. That is so cute. Those are awesome. The shovels are just more for role-playing purposes. Can I use it? Oh, wait. There we go. For like planting. That's really cool. We use that. I forgot the water balloons. Duh. So that's more like the snowballs, if you remember, we got in the Christmas update. My god. The roller skates are awesome. Okay, I'm totally gonna use the roller skates all the time. It's so good. It's so good. No idea. If you just like want a quick vehicle almost. And it gets faster as you glide. Like if you stop, it gets faster when you glide. That's really good. Okay, I'm totally using those often. And then I forgot to use the sidewalk chalk. How could I? Yeah, so I think that's just like a role-playing thing. It's so cute. Hold on, let me try. I got a blue one this time. Excuse me. Yeah, so it doesn't do any actual drawing, but that is adorable. And then the hose spout doesn't do anything, which I'm okay with because it's so good. Yeah, and neither does the show. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and our 100 subscriber special is coming soon. So, see you later. Bye!